Hey, Mbak sister and Mas brothers. Today we will just unboxing an Electrolux Louvre or Electrolux Air Purifier Series FA31201GY. I live in Sweden and I bought this in MediaMarkt for 1,390 kroner or around 2.3 million rupiah. I bought in Black Friday week, but the web said that there is no discount for this item. But I still have to buy it. I never thought about a problem with food smells before when I still live in Indonesia. Usually, I enjoy the smell from downstairs when my mom cooks in the morning and makes me hungry and wants to wake up and grab the food soon. But here in Sweden, the smell will last longer in the room, even on my jacket. And when I fry, the smoker just stay in the room. In Sweden, I cannot just open all the doors and windows just like in my country, especially when it's winter. Of course, it will be cold. Besides, I have a baby, so this is a very important to have a clean air. This is first time that I feel grateful that we live in a small living area because this Electrolux air purifier only for the room with the size not more than 40 meters square. Actually, I was looking for Leofit air purifier or something because it has night lamp, which is so cool, but they don't sell it in Sweden. So I decided to buy a local product, and later if I need to change the filters, I don't have to wait and pay for the delivery. But turns out these items are not as small as I thought. When I pick it up at post, I need to do this. Oh my god. And my baby was crying. To set the machine, you just need to open the seal in the bottom. Remove plastic from the filter and put it back and seal again. Turn on and set the speed of the fan, and it has also night mode, but yeah, it doesn't have night lamp. For me, the sound is not loud, but just don't set to speed number 3 if you are going to sleep. I don't know if I was lucky or it's just what it is. When I checked this item again at MediaMarkt a week after I bought it, the price became 1,900 something kroner. So I saved around 500 kroner. To be honest, after 1 week of using this air purifier, I don't really know if this machine is really cleaning the air or not, because I don't have the tools to measure air pollution anyways. But still recommend this for you if you have baby or if you have pets or even if you have allergies. So that's it for the unboxing Electrolux air purifier series FA31201GY. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit thumbs up if you find it useful, and please subscribe if you want to see other unboxing videos from shopping and items in Sweden. Hej då!